Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farisa Atira binti Ahmad Hamizan. So we're going to show our demonstration for our SIE and dashboard in Kibana, State Kibana. And first of all, this is our completed dashboard. So first, I'm going to create a risky event. So click on the create visualization. For the risky event, I'm going to choose a pie chart. So search for the pie chart and click on it, and then we search for the event type and drop it here. Okay, as you can see, this is our event type. We have DDoS, normal, ransomware, phishing, and SQL injection. So we click on here. Okay, this is to change the color. For the number of value, I'm going to change to 6. Okay, change it to 6 and click on advanced and turn off the group remaining values as others. So this is our risky event chart. Click on the color mapping. Okay, you can change the color here if you want. So the last one, just have to save. So click save and return. So for the next one is device time. Okay, same, you have to click on create visualization. As for device time, I'm going to use the arc gauge. So click on arc gauge, then you search for the device time and drag it there. Okay, so the gauge indicates the unique count of device times in the data, and then click on save and return. Okay, the next one is we're going to create a number of entries. Okay, so for the number of entries, click on create visualization and we go to the legacy matrix and go for records and drop it there. So it displays the total number of entries analyzed. Okay, click on save. The next one is total event severity. Okay, so for the total event severity, we're going to use the donut chart. Search for it and click, and then we go to the event severity and drop it here. So it shows how many event severity that has happened that day. So we have low, high, and low, medium, and high. And this you can change the color here. Okay, then don't forget to save and return. So the next one is the IP address table. So for the IP address table, I'm going to use a table. Okay, click on table and search for the source IP address. Okay, then destination IP address. Last one is the device time. Okay, so you can see a detailed breakdown of IP address activity. Okay, list the source and destination IP address also, and click on save. Next one is the organization, high alert organization. Same, use the table also. And then source organization, drag it. Then event type. Okay, so for the last one is the timestamp. Okay. Okay, search for the timestamp and drag it here. So this is our high alert organization tables. And the last one is protocol. Click on create visualization. So for this we use a horizontal bar chart and search for the source protocol. Okay, so the protocol bar chart, it shows the top source protocol involved in the event. So here to change the color, alright, then you can save and return. So that's it from me, and make sure you click on save button. That's all from me. Thank you. Our map for all the risky event that happened. Next, let me show you how to create this map. First of all, you have to make a new column in the dataset and then import the new dataset in Elastic Kibana. Okay, go to stack management. Let me confirm first. Okay, go to index management, and this is my new index, which is map. I save it as map. Okay, so the new column is destination coordinates and source coordinates, which contain the latitude and longitude. You can see here the data type is still a keyword, so we have to change it. Go to the DevTools. Okay, put a comment here to change the keyword from keyword, the data type from keyword to geopoint. And then after you run it, go to step management and click on data view. So here you have to create the new data view. Click on the data, create data view, and you can name it anything you want. For the index pattern, click on geomaps and then save. So this is my new data, geo_new, and then click on save. Go to SIEM dashboard to create the map, add panels, click on maps, and then go to add layer. So here you can choose any type of layer you want. For example, go to heat maps and click on data new, destination coordinates. So this is the destination where the attack happened. Click on add on continue, and don't forget to click on save and return.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So my name is Ashraf Fikri. Today I'm going to show you guys how to monitor the elastic Kibana. So firstly, we need to change the date. So as you can see here, I'm going to change into December, which is 13 December 2023. Then we click the update button, and here we go. This is the information that we can see here. So click the DDoS, and we can see the risky event detected is DDoS 100%. And this is IP addresses, source IP address, destination IP address, device time and count of records. And this one is high alert organization. We can see the source of organization here, and the event type is DDoS, and the count of the records we can see is 1881. So this is the unit count of the device time. Total event security, we got low, high and medium, and this is the source of the protocol. So next we are going to see the phishing attack. So this is the risky event detected, which is phishing, and this is the IP addresses. You can see here all of the information, the source organization and count of the records, which is 187. It will appear all the information here, which is low, high and medium percentage, and finally the protocol, source and count of records. So next we are going to change the date. So all the information will change also. Press the update button, and there you are. So we are going to choose the brute force. So this is the IP addresses that we detect, and this is the high alert organization. So the count of record is 54. This is the unique count of device. So we can see all the percentage here and the protocol. So I think that's all for the monitoring.
Okay, so next when you click on DDoS, okay, here you can see the map automatically highlights the geographic location of the source and destination that involved in DDoS attack. So the line and marks here represent the flow of traffic during this attack. Okay, next we click on phishing. So this is the geographic location of source and destination that involved in phishing.
Next one, we are going to check for the detection on the elastic Kibana. So we are going to check the IP addresses, which is safe or not. So here we are going to use another website which called Virus Total. So inside the Virus Total, we can check whether the IP address is safe or contain any malicious. So this is the Virus Total. So we need to copy the destination IP address, as you can see here. So just copy any of the IP addresses. So I am going to copy this one, and just paste inside the Virus Total. So I'm going to paste it right here. So as you can see here, the IP addresses contain a few of the malicious. It contains malware, malicious phishing, and a few suspicious malware. So let's get back into the SIEM dashboard. So we're going to open the SIEM dashboard again. And next we are going to copy another destination IP address, and we're going to check whether the destination IP address is safe or not. So we're going to click on the phishing. We're going to copy this one right here and paste it right there, so it will appear, and this IP address is safe and it does not contain any of the malware. And that's all. And finally, we're going to investigate and analyze whether the IP address is safe or contain any malicious using the virus total. So let's get back into the Siem dashboard. So firstly, I'm going to click at the DDoS and copy the destination IP address right here. I'm going to copy it and paste on the virus total, so we can check it can contain any malicious. So as you can see here, it contains a malware, and it shows it can scan the malware, which is 2 malware, and it will appear the source organization, which is from the United States of America. So this IP address is not safe. So next one, we're going to check another destination IP address. So I'm going to copy the destination IP address right here and paste it on the virus total. And as you can see here, the IP address is safe and it does not contain any of the malware. And that's it.
Okay, so this is the DDoS attack. As you can see here, there's blue and green dots. Okay, so the green dots is represent the location where the events are originating. So these are the starting point, typically corresponding to the attacker's IP, and the blue dots indicates the location where the events are targeted. These are the endpoints representing systems, server, or devices under attack or affected by the events. Let me show you some example. Wait. Okay. As you can see here, the green where the attack is coming from, and there's a blue dots where the attack is heading to. So the green dot in Pakistan, okay, connected to the blue dots in Somali, indicates an attack originating from Pakistan, targeting a system or devices in Somali. That's all.